Hey, what's up everybody? My name is BroKaine and welcome back to Bitcoin Chaser. Today I'm showing you quickly how to create a FaucetHub.io account so that you can utilize the Bitcoin faucet page on Bitcoin Chaser. There is a written tutorial on how to do this if you need some extra assistance with images. It's very nice and it's super easy to do, so it shouldn't take you very long. The link to that is in the description below. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you and going through the process on my computer right now so that you guys can do it with me if you like. So on the FaucetHub.io website, we're going to hit sign up and it's going to redirect us to the sign up page. Right, so now we're on the sign up page and we have to enter in a bit of information. So the first thing you're going to create is your username. Then you're going to enter in an email address that you have access to because you're going to have to verify that email. Then you're going to confirm that email and enter in a Bitcoin wallet address. Now, my suggestion would be to use a Bitcoin address that you're confident that you're going to have a long-term access to, because when you go and claim with this Bitcoin address that's linked to Faucet Hub, you're going to have to withdraw to that Bitcoin address. Now, you can add another address once you've registered on FaucetHub.io, but for all intensive purposes, just do it correctly the first time, and then you never have to worry. Don't overcomplicate things. Then you have to enter in security, agree to the terms and conditions, and enter in a CAPTCHA. Now let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to enter in a username, then I'm going to enter in an email address. I'm going to confirm the email. So now we have to enter in this Bitcoin address. So I've gone and installed Jax, a Chrome extension application wallet that allows you to add multiple wallets of different types of coins, but I've added in Bitcoin. I have my address here and I'm going to go and paste it in. Now the thing about Jax is it gives you a private key information and a 12-word passphrase information, so you can store that and then you can rest assured that you'll have access to your funds for a long period of time. Be sure to stick around to the Bitcoin Chaser website and the Bitcoin Chaser YouTube channel, because we will be publishing a review and tutorial on how to create a Jax wallet and keep it secure. So let's enter in this Bitcoin wallet. Once we've done that, we're going to enter in our security information. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then we're going to enter in the CAPTCHA, which I did refresh because I couldn't read what on earth it was saying. And we're going to hit sign up. Right, so we can see your account is created. Please check your email. One more step to activate your account. Check your inbox and spam folders on your email address for an email from us and click the link inside to activate your account. So I have my email open off screen and I'm going to go and click the link. Right, so I've clicked the link and now I have been presented with this screen telling us that we have successfully authenticated our email and now we're fully verified on FaucetHub.io and we can start claiming from faucets. Next, we're going to be taking a look at how to use the Bitcoin Chaser Faucet Hub page in order to claim on the fly with Bitcoin Chaser. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you want to see more videos like that, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video. And remember that every Wednesday, we have our live stream where we go over the latest cryptocurrency news and information with myself, BroKaine, and Bitcoin Chaser. And you get to be on a live stream with me 15 minutes before the video goes live. There will be a countdown that you can log in to YouTube and come and chat in the chat box while you wait for the video to go live. And then bang, you can start watching the news and we can do it together. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. From myself, BroKaine and Bitcoin Chaser, wish you a happy day. Bye-bye.